How to create a multilingual website with Weglot in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your Squarespace and then on your dashboard, click on the gear icon in order to go to your settings. Now from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So what you can do is you can click onto this site languages. Now once you're in there, you can see your actual language and region, your currency, and in here you can see the multilingual by Weglot. Head over and click on the disconnect option right here in order to create an account on Weglot, and from in there you just need to head over and allow it permission. Click on allow, and then after that just wait for this to successfully load. You can just create an account on it or sign up using Google or sign up using your credentials. For this case, let me head over and sign up with Google. In here, as you can see, I have successfully signed up. You can just choose in here the language that you want. Our original language will be English, and you can choose in here the destination language that you wish to have. For example, let's choose in here Korean. Just click on this. And on the pre-plan, you can choose one language and use maximum of 2,000 words. If you're actually not on the free plan and you have a paid subscription, you can add more languages right here. So after that, head over and click on save. And from in there, they should be able to save it right here. And you should be able to use this language as a multilingual option. And you can now preview your site and choose in here the language you can actually cater. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.